welcome to the adventure spot. We are on Iron Gwazi at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay.
Front row.
Front row. This will be my 100th coaster credit.
Woohoo!
Hopefully I can keep my arm out like this. Really beautiful track, what do you think?
Yes.
Here we go. Woo! Loved it.
Oh my gosh.
Woo. Initial thoughts.
That was fun. I'm not riding it back road, but that was fun. That was crazy intense. But that was fun.
Liked it better than Twisted Timbers, right?
So much better than Twisted Timbers. Like, on an RMC scale, Twisted Timbers is like a 1 or a 2 for me. I hated it. This, it's like a 9 or a 10 on the RMC scale. So,
Yeah, this is definitely, I would say, a top 5. I'm gonna ride back row next.
Yeah.
While back a rest.
I may go get our stuff out of our locker and find a bench and let him die on the back row, because the front row was enough. Whew.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from the adventure spot.